back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy makeup look for glasses. Now you're probably looking at me like, dang Pita, you wear glasses? I do. I wear glasses when I edit, when I'm on my phone for a long period of time, which is almost every day. For today, I'm going to show you guys how to do an easy makeup look because I honestly know how frustrated it can be to do your makeup when you wear glasses. Like you just think like, why even try? Like it's not going to be so visible. But girl, no, don't ever say that. For today, I'm going to show you how to look extra cute with your glasses on. Now you guys know that this channel is all about looking good on a budget, and trust me, glasses can get pretty expensive, let me tell you. So today's video is sponsored by glassesusa.com. Alright, so glassesusa.com wants to change the way you purchase glasses. They don't want you to break the bank in order for you to purchase your eyewear, and it is also super easy and convenient because they allow you to purchase eyewear from the convenience of your own home, and they offer a wide variety of high quality frames and lenses at a super economical price, and it's also risk-free shopping experience. Now also a pair of glasses, which already comes obviously with the frames and lenses, starts only at $30, and that also already includes your free basic prescription. Alright, now as for your prescription, you can add any type of prescription to almost any pair of frames, including your sunglasses. Okay, so glassesusa.com does offer over 4,000 styles of eyeglasses and also sunglasses. It includes in-house brands like Muse and Amelia, but they also have designer brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Gucci, and many more. You can also find styles and colors just depending on what you would like, but they also have glasses, for example, for like sports glasses, safety glasses, kids glasses. Basically, they have glasses for everyone and pretty much for everything. All right, so glassesusa.com has this feature. It is called Virtual Mirror. Basically, what you do is you can upload a picture of yourself or take one with the webcam, and it's basically pretty self-explanatory. It tells you what to do. Now this feature I think is actually very nice because you can actually try different frames, different glasses, different colors, and you kind of get an idea of what the glasses will look like on you once you receive them. I feel like that's a lot better. It just gives you an idea. So yeah, let's go ahead and get back to the tutorial. Alright guys, so I took my glasses off to begin with the tutorial. I already did my brows off camera just because honestly they're just brows, but I am going to show you guys what products I use for my brows. I use the Curdy Brow Ghost 3-in-1 brow pencil, and this one is in the shape dark chocolate, and then I just went ahead and cleaned them with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now for the eyes, I'm going to do something super simple because I do want to wear some dramatic lashes, so I am going to be using my concealer kind of as a base, and I'm going to take my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer and put it all over the lid. Next up, we're going to take this, which is kind of a dual fiber brush. We're going to take this brush and just blend out all the concealer. I honestly have never used a eyeshadow primer. I've been using concealer since I can remember, so I'm just going to use this to cover up all the discoloration or the little veins that I have on my eyelid. Now once we have everything nice and blended, we're going to move on with the shadow. For today, literally, we're only going to use two shadows. Can you believe it? I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette. Please excuse, this is like super dirty. I've tried to clean it in a bajillion ways and it never gets clean. So I'm going to take this color right here, which as you can see, I love it. I already hit pan, and I'm going to go ahead and take a blending brush. This is kind of just a fluffy brush. Any blending brush will do. We're going to take it on the brush and we're going to apply it right on the lid. What I love to do lately, I've been using different techniques for my makeup, and let me tell you girl, your shadow will always be more visible if you press it down and then you blend it out. So that's a little trick that I wanted to tell you guys. I think we've achieved the look. I think it's nice and blended. So now we're going to go with the second shadow, and for the second shadow I'm going to be using my ColourPop, and this is the Super Shock Cheek and Flexitarian. Now this is kind of like a cream product, which is why I like it. I feel like it applies a little bit better, and I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush from Real Techniques, just a very little, just dab it up there, and then what we're going to do is basically just start pressing it on the lid. Okay, now you can add as much as you want. You can leave it just here or add a little bit more. It just depends. I'm going to be using a smaller brush because I just want to start getting more precise in there. I told you it was super easy. After this, we're literally done with the eye look. And then I'm going to take back again my little blending brush that we used and just start blending the ColourPop shadow with the brownish color. And that's about it. That's the finished look. Now we're going to take our NYX, this is the matte liquid liner, and I'm literally just going to do the thinnest little line because that's where I want to set my lashes. And also applying a line on top makes you seem like you have fuller lashes, so that's another trick. So we're going to go ahead and apply a really thin line. Now that I'm completely done with the eyeliner, this is what the eye looks like. Now it's not complete without lashes, of course. So I am going to finish off camera the rest of my other eye, and then also off camera I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos with my all-time favorite Lash Glue Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in clear. So once I am done with my other eye and applying the lashes, I'll be back. I am complete with the eyes, and now we're going to move on to the face. And now when you wear glasses, priming your face is very, very, very important, just because I know if you wear glasses, you know the struggle of getting those little dents here on the nose. It is the most frustrating thing ever. So primer is actually key. So I'm going to be applying my Tatcha cream, and I'm going to go ahead and use also my CoverGirl primer. So I'm going to apply these two all over my face. Alright, once I am completely done blending this out, I'm going to focus again most of it on my nose. I'm going to move on to the CoverGirl, and this is the Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm almost out of this one, and we're going to take a little bit, just about that much, and put it all over my nose area in my T-zone. Next step is going to be to color correct my under eye areas. I have a really bad under eye circles, as you can tell. Now when you wear glasses, you want your under eye area to be really bright and for your eyes to just completely stand out. So I'm going to color correct with my Becca. This is the Backlight Targeted Color Corrector, and this one is in peach. So I'm just going to apply it right here. And I'm just gonna go in once, just because it is kind of like a very bright peach color. I'm just going to apply one layer on each side. Okay, once we are done color correcting, it is time to move on to foundation. Now, as you can tell in my previous videos, I have a really bad tan that I have not been able to get rid of. Ever since I went to Miami, it's just been a struggle to find my right color foundation. So I've been mixing these three foundations. Girl, the struggle is real. So I'm going to use my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation, 1 pump of this. And I'm going to take my CoverGirl True Matte Blend Foundation, 4 pumps of this. And then I'm going to take my Becca Luminous Perfecting Foundation, 2 pumps of this. So once I mix everything up, we'll move on. Once I have it all mixed in the back of my hand, I'm going to take my Morphe blender, and we're just going to start applying it all over the face. Okay, so I just realized my camera was not recording. I was over here like gone applying my makeup and it wasn't recording, but don't worry, I did my concealer and I used the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. This is in light medium. Then I literally just applied 2 little dots just to brighten up the under eye area with the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer from IT Cosmetics, and this one is in medium. And then I literally set my entire face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and now we're going to bronze up the entire skin using my Hoola Butter Bronzer, and this is a dual fiber face brush. So we're just going to go ahead and start bronzing up the whole skin. Next, we're going to contour, and I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this one is in medium deep. And I'm going to be taking an angled brush. This is the Morphe R4. Taking a little bit and just going to tap it off, and then we're going to do small little circles and start creating a slimmer face. Now I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer again with a small little brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and start contouring the nose. Then I'm going to take this dual fiber contour brush, and I'm just basically going to blend out all of the nose contour and also the bronzer with the Too Faced bronzer as well. Next, I'm going to be using the same bronzer, this one, and I'm going to be taking, this is a mini round brush. I'm just going to swirl it around, and I'm going to use this as my drop shadow. Now, since I do want to open up my eyes a little bit more, when you apply black eyeliner on your waterline, you're making them look a little bit more smoked out. But whenever you apply a cream color underneath your waterline, it actually opens up your eyes, or even if you add a white pencil. So for today, I'm going to be using this Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, and this one is in Silky Nude. And I'm just basically going to apply this all over my waterline. As you can see, there is a huge difference between no eyeliner and then with the Silky Nude eyeliner. It definitely opens up and brightens up your eye. So I'm going to finish this eye right here. Next step is going to be to apply mascara to our lower lashes. And I'm going to be taking my Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara. And I'm just basically going to apply just a little bit underneath. All right, now that we have our mascara on our lower lashes, we're gonna move on to highlight. And for highlight, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek, the same one we used on our eyes, so we're gonna use it as a highlighter. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe E61. This is my favorite highlighting brush. And we're gonna go ahead and just start applying it to the cheekbones. All right, now we're going to take, again, that same little mini round brush that we used, which is this one. And again, I'm going to take my ColourPop shadow and we're going to use this as our inner corner highlight. And this will also open up our eyes a little bit more. See? It makes a lot of a difference. Next and final step are lips. Now, I know when it comes to doing your makeup, everyone does their own thing. In no way am I trying to tell you how to do your makeup, but me personally, when I wear glasses, I like to do a very settled eye look, yet I want to do also a very bold look with my lips. So I want all the attention to go to my lips, so that's why I do a very settled look on the eyes, and then I go ahead and apply a very bright color on the lips. For today, I'm going to be using a red color. I'm going to outline my lips with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip liner, and this one is in cherry red. And then I'm going to top it all off with my Wet n Wild. This is the 930B Messy and Fierce. So we're going to go ahead and do that and just start outlining the lips. Now we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild lipstick, and we're just going to apply it all over the lips. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys what this look looks like with different types of glasses. I ended up getting 4 glasses and 2 sunglasses from glassesusa.com, so I'm going to show you what they look like. So once you receive your glasses, they do come in this little box right here. Once you open it up, ta-da! These are your glasses. It comes with its own case, but it also comes with your RX certification card. So we're going to put that back, and once you open it up, here's my first pair of glasses. We're gonna close it up, and I think these are by far my favorite ones. This is what it looks like. Very simple, yet very, very pretty. And I did want to share a really quick tip with you guys. I know, like I said, it's super annoying to get those little dents right here on your nose area. So what I like to do is I grab a brush, grab a little bit of the powder that I use to set my face, and I literally put some right here and on this side right above there. And then you put it on, and there you go. It's like powder is sitting on top of powder, so it will not melt away or anything like that. So let me know what you think of these glasses. I actually really do like them. All right guys, this is the second pair. I really like these. These are a little bit more like smaller, so you can actually see like your brows more, your lashes more, your eyes are more visible, yet all the attention goes to your lips. So I really like these. They feel super comfortable. They're so lightweight. I really like these. This is the third pair. Now this is definitely a different frame from the previous 2 that I showed you, but I really like it. I feel like it's something different yet cute. Let me know what you guys think. So this is the third pair. This is the fourth pair, and I think it is so adorable. I love the little detail that it has going on here, the same pattern that it has in the front. Moving on to sunglasses, this is my first pair that I got, and these are actually pretty cool because, as you guys can see, they change colors depending on where you look, and it's actually very thin from here. They're not heavy at all. They feel very lightweight, and I really like them because, as you guys can see, they do change colors, but you can still see through your eyes, so they're not completely super dark, yet they're really good for the sun. And this is my last pair of sunglasses. Now glassesusa.com does have designer brand glasses. They have like Armani, Oakley, and Gucci. And guess what? Ta-da! These are Gucci sunglasses and I really like them. I think they're so different. I really like that it has the logo here and then it has also their little logo on here on the side. So this is, bam, what they look like on. They're obviously a little bit like of a bigger frame, but I honestly like them. Let me know what you guys think. All right guys, that is it for this video. Now these were only 6 pairs out of over the 4,000 style eyeglasses and sunglasses that glassesusa.com offers. Now, if you guys ended up liking these sunglasses, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Did you guys think I did a pretty good job choosing these glasses or what? I actually honestly think I did really good for this makeup look. I feel like it suits all different types of eyeglasses. So if you guys are interested in any of the ones that I got, they will be linked down below in the description box. But also if you end up signing up for the first time for glassesusa.com, there is a very, very special offer for you guys also in the description box down below. But yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to check out glassesusa.com. Their link will be down below in the description box. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, found it helpful, learned something new, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye my loves.